The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a tornado warning for eastern Warren County in south-central Iowa, Marion County in south-central Iowa. Until 2:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, at 1:46 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles east of Indianola, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and ping-pong ball size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Indianola, Pella, Knoxville, Pleasantville, Melcher, Dallas, Lake Red Rock, Knoxville Raceway, Milo, Bussey, Harvey, Hamilton, Ackworth, Marysville, Sandyville, Pella Municipal Airport, Otter Creek County Park, Elk Rock State Park and Knoxville Municipal Airport. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.